Alright guys, I'm going to talk a little bit as this drone actually flies, just to kind of tell you guys the thoughts as we were flying it. So it actually flew pretty good for the price that you're paying for it. I do recommend going to the quick start guide. It's a QR code that's on the box, and then also on the manual too, just to kind of follow the instructions to get that flying. But here you guys see it flying here. We're just kind of flying it around. Now it was really windy, so we were surprised that it actually held in the wind. I think the wind was probably, I don't know, about 15 miles per hour or something like that, maybe a little bit higher, because it was really windy. We were trying to fly it out a little bit. So we were testing the drone here, and we're just kind of playing around flying and stuff with it here, going around trying to get a feel and stuff for it. And like I said, it was real windy, so we're actually surprised that it held up. It's kind of funny that when you see the drone here, it looks like one of the blades is not spinning, but it actually was spinning. I don't know if that's some of the camera effects, like two of the blades there. So you guys see they're just kind of testing it back and forth. And we were actually talking and laughing and stuff too, because we did test the camera, and you guys will see the camera testing in just a minute. And it's got a couple other features too on it that I'll show you guys in just a minute.
Okay.
Testing the landing feature, because it does have a button where you can actually click it, it does land, and then also a launching where you kind of launch it up. So it does have like a flight path too that you guys can see that there was on your phone when you actually using your phone. That's what you saw in that quick clip there. We were actually trying to just map in some clips where we were doing on the phone and stuff. I didn't show everything here, but it actually worked, so we were surprised about that. And that's what had us kind of laughing, because we were talking about trying to chase down an RC car with it. And then it does, of course, have the functionality on the phone too, where you can control it on the app that you download onto your phone. So that was pretty cool. And then here's some minor footage of it. We were just kind of playing around with it, just seeing how the footage was and actually where it would store the recorded footage on the phone. And there we go down there. Me and a friend, we was out filming and talking and actually testing it. And we got some pretty good flight times. We flew it twice with 2 of the batteries, so all the filming isn't here for it. But we got some pretty good flight times. It says about 20 minutes. We got about, I would say about a little bit over 15 minutes or so per pack. And it also depends, kind of like an RC car. When you drive it in grass and you're going full throttle, it's probably going to kill the battery a little bit more. So, and you do get 3 batteries with this. Yeah, as I mentioned in the unboxing with that. And we were doing a lot of playing around with this and kind of seeing how this camera was working. You'll probably see us a couple of times, see our cars down there, kind of waving to it and laughing. It's so funny when I look back at the footage, just seeing that one blade, it didn't seem like it was spinning, but it was spinning. So those are just some of the camera effects there. Me and a friend was actually taking turns flying it in midair and actually giving the remote to each other and then trying to still film while we were doing that. That's why we were over there kind of laughing about it and stuff. So that's kind of how to have the switching and stuff there. We were trying to let it hover in place, and then we were switching the controllers so I could try and then he could try. We were kind of going back and then testing the distance and stuff for it. So it actually did good. I think it's a good starter drone if someone was going to try to get started. If you don't want to spend a lot of money and get it kind of for a gift for a kid or something, to be something for them to actually learn on before you start spending more money on more expensive drones. So there we are, just basically testing it around, testing some of the distance of it. We should actually flew a little bit further down, but we were in this big warehouse, and like I said, it was pretty windy. The wind was kind of kicking on and off, and of course when your warehouse area kind of closes. But that's going to be a flight of this. I wanted to at least get this out to you guys and show this to you. So there's going to be a link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for more videos.